In BIM360, establishing permission level for folders allows you to have more control how the student project members upload, view, and edit folders and files. Permissions can be specified for each folder by defining a permission level for users. This permission level can be defined for a user, company, and role, and applies to the folder and all the subfolders below it. Shown on screen here, we have exact permissions set up for Student 2. You will see that they can only see certain folders within the plans and project area. They have access to the Student 2 submission folder only in plans, and then in project files they have access to the shared module information and then only their individual Student 2 work in progress folder. When we log in as Student 3 and review their access, you will see that they cannot see Student 2's content folders, but they can only see their Student 3 submission folders, the shared module information folder, and their individual Student 3 work in progress folder. It's important to note that subfolders inherit the permission level set for the parent folder. It is not possible to give higher rights to the main folder and then lower rights to one of its subfolders. However, you can change the permission levels for subfolders if needed. When you change the subfolder permission levels, you must match the parent folder permissions level or have a greater access level than the parent folder. It's important that you add users to the appropriate folder levels so that they have access to the data they need. If a user, company, or role is given no rights to a folder, they will not see the folder in their document management environment and won't be able to access it. Individuals will only have access to the folders they are invited into and any subfolders beneath it. BIM360 gives us the following permission levels which can be applied to folders and subfolders. The View Only permission allows members to view documents, add private markups, and create issues. The View and Download permission allows the same principles of the View Only, but will also allow members to download documents. Upload Only permissions allows members to upload documents, but they will not see the folder contents. View, Download, and Upload allows members to upload, download, and view content, as well as add markups and issues. The View, Download, Upload, and Edit permission will allow members to review and publish content, as well as edit and delete folders and subfolder content. Folder Control will grant full administration controls, including managing access and title blocks. The permission matrix shown on screen gives a good overview of what permission levels grant what actions in BIM360. On the left we have an action column. This outlines some of the common tasks that you will undertake within BIM360. The green tick then represents that particular action and whether it is granted under the individual permission levels. For the projects that we create within our BIM360 hub, we want to assign role-based permissions to the individual folders. To do this, simply select your project in the project directory. Then select the module selector and go to Document Management. This will show us the list of predefined folders. What we need to do is assign permissions to each individual folder based upon a role and a permission level. To do this, simply select the Student 1 submission folder. Here we can now select the three dots and select the permissions option. This will show the permissions slide out for this particular folder. You will see that the permission levels are already inherited for the project administrators. Now we want to add a permission level for the individual student and an associated permission level. Simply select the Add button, then choose the Add New. Here we can enter a name, email address, role, or company. As mentioned, we are going to assign it based upon a role. If I type SI, it will find the student individual, and then I can simply assign the student individual 001 role. Simply select the checkbox. This will add the role-based permission to the folder. Now we can choose a permission level. For the permission levels required for this project, we are going to select the View, Download, Upload and Edit permission. Simply select it from the list and it will pre-populate the drop-down. To finish adding the permissions, simply select the Add button. Within project files, we need to assign different permissions to the module information folder and then the individual student work in progress folder. To set the module information up first, simply select the three dots, then choose permissions. Here we are going to add the student all role. Simply select SA from the list, then choose the SA role. This permission level will be slightly different to the others as we're going to set it to view and download. To finish this off, select the Add button. This will now add the SA role to the permission structure. For the individual student work in progress folders, we need to assign the correct permissions. Simply select the three dots, choose the permissions option, and here we're going to add in the role student individual matched to the student number folder. Here I'm selecting SI001 and then setting the permission level to view, download, upload and edit. This will now give student 1 the correct access required for this work in progress folder. Simply repeat this process for each of the students.